Hey guys, welcome back to Mike's World. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Wavlink docking station. This is new, just came out. They sent me one of these to review. Very small, very sleek design. I really like this thing. We're going to unbox this. I'm going to show you it set up at my office. We're going to talk a little bit about what this offers and everything about it. And then I'm going to give you my final results and review at the end. But before we do that, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, and leave a comment. Let's get started with the unboxing. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox the Wavlink WLUG69DK5. This is a dual display docking station from Wavlink. So we are going to unbox this. You can tell it's covered, it's packed in plastic. I can see some foam in there. So sometimes these things can be a little difficult to get started. It's got some thick, so usually I get items and the plastic that wraps the box is pretty thin, lightweight stuff. This is pretty thick. So this is some good, that's good cellophane material. So let's get that off to the side. So Wavlink, it's the box, got a QR code, tells you a little bit, all the specifications and everything. So let's get it opened up because that's what we really want. So I've got to figure out how to open the box. Some of these things they send me are packed very, very well. This looks like it slides out. It does slide out. Okay. Okay, put the box off to the side. So packaged really well. It's definitely protected. So there it is. It's kind of plastic. It looks metal, but it's really plastic. And look here on this side. So this is what you have. You have two USB 3.0 USB-A types. You have an Ethernet port. We have an HDMI, two HDMIs, or two display ports. So you have either one. We have a USB-C, and we have a power spot there. So basically 3 USB ports, 2 display ports, and Ethernet for your connection. So got to keep that in mind. And then power. It's very lightweight. It's pretty small. Oh, and then on the front, oh, we have more. So on the front, you know, we have headphone or microphone or both. So headphone jack. We have another USB-A. It's USB 3.0, and we have 2 more USB-Cs on the front. So plenty of connectivity for wireless mouse, keyboards, things like that. So very, very cool. Got to test this out with a dual display, and we'll see how this works. Let's see what else is in the box. So this nice padding. I mean, it comes pretty protected. I mean, the box looks pretty good. And then at the bottom of the box, we have Wavlink driver download links. So, and then you have our user manual. Oh, there we go. That is the user manual that comes with it. Kind of a quick discussion on how to connect it to your laptop and stuff. Little instruction manual there as well. We'll get into that later. Again, there's the unit. And whatever comes in is in this box, which I'm guessing would be the power cable. And I'm not sure what else would be in here. Definitely a big power supply. So that is a huge brick. Look at that thing. Power cable. That thing's huge. Is that it? Nope. We have a USB-A to USB-C cable, as well as USB-C to USB-C. So I'm guessing you just grab one of these. One of these is going to connect the laptop to the dock. Probably my guess would be use this USB. It does, yeah, that has the laptop. So this USB port is how you're going to connect to your laptop, either USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A. And then you have to power it with this thing. So that is pretty much, that's the Wavlink docking station unboxed. Now we need to set it up and we need to use it and demonstrate it. So starting off, I decided I wanted to test this Wavlink docking station at the office with my dual display because I'm there so often and I use this computer or this setup, you know, most of the time. So I thought it might be better than trying this at home. So one of the things I can tell you about the Wavlink docking station is just how small and lightweight it is and how it fits in with all the surroundings. It looks really good on the desk and it has all the ports that I need for everything that I'm using. It has an Ethernet port. It has two USB-A ports, which USB 3.0, and then you have the dual, you have an option. You can use projector or you can use HDMI. I'm using two monitors that have both, and in this case for the test I'm using the projector port because that is what I had already cabled. And then it also has a USB-C connectivity to go to your laptop to be able to function and get everything out there. The power supply is pretty small. It hides pretty easily. And if you go to the front of the unit has a dual input for either headphones or for a microphone. So let's say gaming, things like that, and you want to wear a lav microphone or a microphone that you just want to plug into that port, you can do that, but you can also plug in your headphones there as well. Another USB-A, USB 3.0 port on the front, and then two USB-C ports on the front gives you a wide range of connectivity options for this docking station. And one of the things I will say is with the flat side of the docking station, you could also get two very small solid state drives like they make today, either Samsung, Western Digital. And then if you plug these in through USB-C or on the back USB-A, one of the things I do, which I haven't done yet, but I will do with this docking station, is put Velcro on either side, and you can just go ahead and Velcro your hard drives right to your dock, and they're right there out of the way, easy and convenient, and always readily available for your additional storage options. That's a little bit of video of it set up in an office setting with a dual display. I love this thing. It's so light, it's so small. It has a DisplayPort or HDMI, two of them. So it has Ethernet, the two USBs, the power down here. It's very sleek. It has two USB ports on the front. I just really like this. It worked very well. And what I really enjoyed about it more than anything is the fact that how universal this is. 3 different laptops I used with this worked flawlessly. At work, I have an HP dock and I have an HP laptop. That dock works with that laptop, but when I take my personal laptop in or another laptop, it doesn't work. The displays don't work. There's a lot of bugs and kinks. This thing's universal and it worked with every laptop I tried it with. Only little downside to this versus the other dock that I have is that the other dock has a little power station, so you can leave your laptop connected, power down, but then you hit the button on the dock and it powers up. Not the case with this. You would have to open your laptop, hit the power button to power everything on. But once you do that, everything's good to go. Connects to your computer via this USB-C port right here. And it comes with 2 cables, one USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A if you're using an older laptop that does not have USB-C connectivity. So, and by adding the dock, you add USB-C connectivity to any laptop. So, man, this thing is great. Like I said, Wavlink did send this to me. However, the review is my own. I'm not paid to do these. These are my full reviews, and anything I say is my actual opinion. I do suggest picking one of these up if you're in the market to get a dock for your computer. There is a link in the description with a link to this on Amazon so you can pick one of these up. But I do really highly recommend these. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, and also leave a comment. And I'll see you back here next time. Take care.